Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how to lighten underarms. If you struggle with dark underarms, this video is for you. This is something that I used to struggle with myself, and I feel like I found a product that has worked wonders for me. So this is literally only one product, guys, and I'm so excited to introduce it. So let's just jump right into it. Really briefly, I want to talk about the things that do cause dark underarms or can cause it. So there's certain things that contribute to hyperpigmentation under your arms. That can be shaving, wearing really tight clothing, and things like that. Shaving for me is a tricky one because I feel like if you find the right method of shaving, making sure you exfoliate before shaving and making sure that you moisturize and use the right kind of like deodorants under there, it should all be fine. But then you do have to have a routine in what you do. You need to make sure that your razor's not blunt. So I tend to use men's razors because I feel like women's razors, the blade is not sharp enough, so then kind of like doesn't do the job properly. Instead, you are left with ingrown hairs and irritation, and that leads to discoloration. So I would say you need to discover what type of hair removal method will work for you. A lot of people do like waxing. Myself, I am someone that cannot stand pain, so I will try it eventually. But waxing is definitely a good alternative to shaving. Obviously there are other treatments out there like laser, but you know, you gotta have the coins for that. So obviously, like I said before, there are some deodorants that can actually cause hyperpigmentation. You have to just make sure you research on the deodorant that you're going to use and make sure that doesn't cause hyperpigmentation. So the product that I'm going to be talking about, guys, is glycolic acid from The Ordinary. I have seen amazing results from this toner, and I did a patch test, which I recommend doing. I want to show you guys the routine that I've been doing with this toner. This is my second bottle and I've not gone back since. I don't plan on changing this. It is 7% glycolic acid with a pH of 3.6, so that is actually so good. It will balance your pH levels in the skin. So I take a cotton pad and the toner and I put a few drops onto the cotton pad like so. So then what you want to do after you use a toner is to use a moisturizer that works for you. So I just take a few drops of that and I apply to my underarms. Just like so. Now typically what I would do is I would go in with deodorant after this, but you don't even need to do that when you use this product, you guys. This also works as a deodorant, which is absolutely crazy. Like, it balances the pH levels of the underarm area. It makes it hard for the odor causing bacteria to survive. That's what eliminates the odor. The fact that it's an exfoliator also means that it's removing the dead skin cells from under the skin, meaning that the odor bacteria cannot build up under there. It just removes it, creating that odorless environment that we all want to have. That's literally me done. Like, that's literally it, you guys. That's what I've been doing to achieve this kind of like bright underarm area. It used to be so bad, but guys, with consistent use of this glycolic toner and just making sure you exfoliate the area well and making sure you have a proper shaving routine or hair removal routine, it should all work out just fine. Please let me know in the comment section if this has worked for you or if you're in the process of trying it. Update us, guys. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if there is any other content you want to see from me. I will be making a video on this product because I don't only use it under my underarms, I use it literally all over my body. So yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. I will catch you on my next video.